it's time, oh now it's time, time to care for Earth.
Hi, this is Tom from Gaia Ashram, Tropical Permaculture YouTube channel. Today I want to show you one of our important nitrogen fixing crops, which is pigeon pea. So we're going to look at pigeon pea, how we're processing it and why we're planting it and things like that. So here we're piling it up. We've been harvesting it, first of all by chopping it with a chainsaw. It's quite easy. And then we are aiming for the seeds. So we're gonna dry these seeds. There's seed. Till about here through the chipper, more than the shredder. To about here, and then this we put separate. So we have a lot of this, and then we need to dry this. So I'd say like one of this buckets per tree. Could even do more, but we got a lot of trees and we want to kind of cover them all. So there he goes, running around, and I'm gonna make it go around. Make sure we don't put it against the stem of the tree. Right, leave a bit of a gap around the stem of the tree. This beautiful mango tree, and that's pretty good. Yeah, so we're gonna do that for all the trees. Okay, here we have our pigeon pea seed. So the use of it in India, it's one of the main dals, the main staple crops that people eat with rice. Yeah, and it's super nutritious, full of protein, very healthy. Another thing about pigeon pea is you can plant it as a bit what we're doing here as a green manure crop. It fixes nitrogen from the air and puts it in the soil. So it's a great green manure crop, and that's partly why we're growing it here, to basically pioneer the land and to make it more fertile. And then it has also a lot of leaves. If you just leave it, the leaves will drop and it provides a nice leaf litter, and that will basically decompose and feed the soil life and the soil biology, which is also quite high in nitrogen. It lasts about 2 to 3 years. It gets a bit less productive. The first year you get the most seed, the year after less. So it's a great crop. And also the trees, we planted it here so it can grow up fast. They grow really fast. Also now because we're watering as well. And then it's kind of shading the mangoes when it was shading the mangoes when they were very small, and when it was very hot, so they provide a good shade for them. Now the mangoes are a bit bigger, so they're quite okay. They're doing really well, so that's why we cut them down a bit, so the mangoes can get a bit more light in the other trees. And also the cover crops that we grow, the mung bean, and then we got ginger in here, and we got black bean, and we've got some corn as well growing. So we need to open up a bit to make a bit of space. While we're doing that, we're feeding the main trees. So that's pretty cool. Pigeon pea, way to go. Yeah.